Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a link to your Instagram bio. To add a link to your Instagram bio, all you need to have is just to get the link that you want to add. Once you have the link, tap to copy it. After that, open up the Instagram app. When you are in your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, from here, tap on Edit Profile. Then in the Edit Profile section, you will find the Links section. Simply tap on it to add the link. After that, tap on the Add External Link option from here. Now, paste the link you copied earlier, and you can give it a title. Once you've added both the link and title, tap on Done in the top right corner. After that, the link will be added to your bio. Go back to your profile to ensure that the link is visible and correctly formatted. Remember that Instagram's bio allows only one clickable link, and it's often used to direct users to external websites, blogs, or other platforms. If you have multiple links you want to share, you might consider using a link sharing service or tools like Linktree to create a landing page with multiple links. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.